Hi guys, quick unboxing and review of the PNY 64GB Elite X micro SD card. The most important thing is of course the speed. It's a U3 which is super fast and usually is suitable for even 4K and 60 frames per second in like action cameras or so. To open we have to cut it open and so we can pull it apart. And now we have access to the cards and the adapter here. So here we are with the result of the test. I have been checking the integrity with one of the microSD cards here on this side with this card reader in the USB 3.0, and here on this side I've been checking one of the cards for the speed, and that's the result. So let's go a little bit closer so we can see that here, and the read-write result is pretty good. I would say read almost 100 megabytes per second. This is a really nice result for the large files, and of course for the small files it's a little bit slower. And writing, that's the most important thing here. Writing, we want to see some readings above 30 megabytes per second with a U3 micro SD card, and this is what we have. So we can definitely use it for 4K 60 frames per second video recording easily. And so we can see that, for example, on this action camera Wolfgang GA420 we are on 4K 60 frames per second stabilization, and I can start recording and it won't bring any error or so. With normal standard class 10 microSD card it was too slow, it doesn't start recording and it just shows an error message here. And here you can see the result of the integrity test, which has been showing no errors. That simply means that it's real storage. It's not like fake storage with a fake controller or so. It's absolutely real, true storage, and this is what we want to see. But it's not all about capacity and speed. We also want to see if it's fitting nicely into a microSD card slot. If you think that's no problem, I can tell you, yeah, it can be definitely a problem. If you buy this one here, I hope you can see the brand name here. I have bought this for the first time. I thought, okay, yeah, why not? Let's give it a try. But at the very end, I was super disappointed. I mean, I knew that it was slow, but the biggest problem is when I tried to insert it into microSD card slot the wrong way, on the wrong side. You can push it here inside, so you can see just a little bit, not too much, and you can see it's not straight anymore, it's leaning. Then you know that you have inserted it the wrong way. But the big problem comes now when you want to take it out again. It is almost stuck. You really have to pull hard to take it out again. It has never happened with Samsung, SanDisk or PNY. So this is the reason why we are only buying brand names. And when I do the same thing with the PNY, I mean the correct way would be like this, and I push it now inside here. You can see that I can easily grab it again. So this is also more safe, and at the very end you can avoid a lot of trouble also by preventing loss of data. When you buy non-brand microSD card, then you never know what's inside, what controller they are using, and sometimes when a camera is losing power in a sudden and then it can't finish writing all data down, the video file is not completed, and then when you're using such a card you can't recover the file. But usually with a main brand like Samsung, SanDisk, PNY or so, you should be able to recover the video file easily. So I think it's a really nice, a little bit cheaper alternate solution to SanDisk and Samsung. It has a very similar speed, similar reliability, but still is a little bit cheaper. For me, one of the best options to buy. So if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.